hear this, Mascot Thomas? Everything on this ship is brand new but the mascot. And we'll have a new mascot if I find one mouse on board. Is that clear? Then be on with your duties.
We're losing the audience! You clowns, get out there now! I hate performing on an empty...
What's the point of going out there? They'll only laugh at me. No, it's because I'm a prop. You always cast me as the broom, the pole, the stick, a splinter.
You're a walking stick! It's funny! Now go!
You parasite. Tra-la-la-la-la, springs in the air, and I'm a flower. Nothing interesting to say.
I am a cute little bumblebee! Here I come! Slow down, you flowers! Oh, candy corn! Here, let me help you to finish it! Hey, cutie! What up? Oh, lady, come like Papa! Yeah.
So, being a ladybug automatically makes me a girl. Is that it, fly boy?
Access leaves him alone, damn poo-poo hand!
Breath! You must have been buzzing around a donkey boat.
Come on, Francis. You're making the maggots cry.
Be kind, pal. I'm gonna pick the hairs out of your head one by one. Take the place. Yeah, 'cause when you get there, you are dead.
Francis, let me handle this. That's no way to speak to a lady.
I heard that, you twin.
I said stop fighting! That's not what the holidays are about. No matter what you call them, or how you celebrate.
Ladybug, fly away home. Yeah, not so tough now, huh? All right, found. Damn it, fight like a girl. I want to be Little John.
What part can I play? We are the greatest warriors in all punk by sword.
Swish, swish, clang, clang.
Little John?
But who, Robin? Justice is my... Jawohl!
Thrust, parry, lunge. Methinketh it's not working.
Back to Sheridan! Baba, all gone! Baby Vance, pay!
Pie? He asked for it. Should I give it to get pie?
Thank you, gentlemen. Always an intellectual treat. Say, how many roaches does it take to screw in a light bulb? Can't tell. As soon as the light goes on, they scatter.
You call it nasty klutz.
Oh, get it, break it up!
Princess, how low can you go?
Blueberries dismissed. Beat the boys up.
Not so fast, sweetheart.
I swear, Nessus, put me down or I'll...
I like 'em fiery.
Now remember, kid, first analyze the situation. Don't just barrel in there without thinking.
He's losing points for this.
No, Victor.
Halt!
Step aside, two legs.
Pardon me, my good, sir. I'll have to ask you to release that young...
Keep moving, Junior.
Lady. But you... aren't you a damsel in distress?
I'm a damsel. I'm in distress. I can handle this. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, I'm afraid you may be too close to the situation to realize.
What are you doing? Get your sword!
Sword! Right. Rule number 15. A hero is only as good as his weapon!
Hey! Whoa! Hold on. He's got to do it on his own. Come on, kid, concentrate. Use your head. All right, not bad, kid. Not exactly what I had in mind, but not bad.
Oh, gee, miss, I'm really sorry. That was dumb.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Nice work! Excelente!
Is Wonder Boy here for real?
What are you talking about? Of course he's real. Whoa. And by the way, sweet cheeks, I'm real too.
Out in the menagerie, hurry.
I'm coming.
You got a problem, Pinky? Boy, Jafar's gonna be happy to see you.
Excellent work, Iago.
Go on.
No, really, on a scale of 1 to 10, you are an 11.
Oh, Jafar, you're too kind. I'm embarrassed. I'm blushing.
Well, congratulations, Thomas. You've done a fine job. I haven't seen us on board the entire trip.